Well, the reason why you make it runny is because it actually soaks in. It's got to soak into it. You could easily make a paste and do it, but I don't think it'll do much. Moisture out of the crucibles. And I'm pretty sure they can handle the heat. That one in the middle. So I'm just going to get so the borax goes around it like that. That's about 1 kilo as well. And it's probably 1/2 kilo. Alright, let's go and melt this copper. So this is the Bare Bright. Nice and thick. It's probably about, I'd have to say 2.5 mil thick. By the sounds of it, I think I might be running out of gas. Look at that melting down. Start at the other end now. There we go, guys. We've got those. That's probably one of the best bars I've ever poured. There's a couple in there. We'll have to dig them out. Alright, we'll go weigh this inside and put it on the stack. Oh, look at these. Look at them. They look good, don't they? Righto, I got the first one on. 0. So that's one of the porosity ones, 972. Oh, nearly 2 kilo there. 3. Nearly 5. Well, not nearly 7. Nearly 8. It's always nearly. There's 9. There is 11 kilos. Oh, we're going to hit the 12. There you go, because I did add a bit more in that little thing. Look at that. 12.4 kilos. Actually, it's 12.5 kilos. If you get the light, get it in the light, that's really good. Look at that. Alright. 12. What was it? 12. 12.4 kilos. That's milliliters, you idiot. Same thing. The grams. 27 pounds. 27.4 pounds. 12.48. It's more or less 12.5 kilos. What was it in ounces? 440 ounces. There you go.